Every structure begins with a strong foundation, and in Gate AR, your foundation in building structure decide how confident you will be in solving application-based questions. From the basic of material to the strength of structure, this section is backbone of syllabus, and I'll be teaching it at Safal Together in Warrior Batch. On this foundation, we raise the superstructure of knowledge of building construction techniques, building construction material, structural system, high rise and long span structure. As you can see in my PPTs, I'll be also following with many gate previous questions, their diagrams, and with all the conceptual clarity with derivations of the formulas. But even a strong structure is complete without service. So, in my next video, I'll be dealing with building services and environment to explain the valuability of the courses in GATE AR. And finally, just like finishing give you beauty to building, Suffer Together's Warrior Badge gives your preparation the final polish. Here you will learn from IITians, SPA alumni, and GATE toppers who share not just concept but also their strategy to crack the exam. With live classes and doubt solving mocks and personal mentorship, this finishing ensure your preparation stands tall. If you want to master building structure system for GATE AR 2026 and secure your place in IITs, NITs or SPA, join me at Safal Together and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more GATE AR preparation content. Thank you so much.